Bosque mobile bicycle repair here. I am tuning up this old mountain bicycle. I'm going to be installing a new handlebar. I am also installing new brake and shifting cables. The thumb shifters have grease on their internal mechanism, but over time, the grease will get stiff and harden, will get dirty, which will clog up the little gears or mechanism. So I'm going to clean it out with some brake clean. Got the bicycle tuned up, new handlebar installed new cables. They are shorter than the previous ones because there's not a big handlebar on there anymore. It looks pretty clean. Didn't have any issues routing the cables on the frame. This customer is going to be commuting to work with a reliable bicycle. Get your bicycle tuned up and repaired. Book an appointment on my website and check out my social media.